Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Sabi naman talaga guys, ang dami nila guys.
Ang dami talaga dito.
Pero Kuya Robbie, I would say I'm really grateful. I feel like I've already said this in the interview. This is the essence of Tonang for us. Parang itong pamilya na to, hindi lang po ito nabuo na joke-joke type na totoo po at genuine ang buo namin relasyon sa loob ng bahay. So for us to endorse a brand that's very close to our heart po, we're really grateful po for Acer na kinuha po kaming pamilya de Guzman plus the extended family.
Yes, very, very authentic yung family na, no? We got a lot of questions, syempre. We're gonna be having this chit-chat time with our extended PDG or the new faces of Acer. Pero, instead of doing like a question-answer type, why don't we do it a little bit different? Pageant style, pero duo. Okay lang ba yun, Acer fam? Okay, let's have Shukla first, right here. Okay, kailangan may lakad, ha? In 3. Rarapa.
I'll play music. Ano ba yan?
Ladies and gentlemen, Shukla!
Wala pang yawan dyan? Wala pang
May ganun na. Okay. Now, Shukla, we are so happy that you guys are here. Pero how do you break a limit pagdating sa energy at creativity on the stage? Mom?
How about you, Shubi? What can you say about that question?
I do believe that Shukla already has the quality of a winner. Wow, grabe mo talagang winner na yan. Kasi we just enjoy the moment. Being in front of you, everybody, it's such a life-changing. Ang dami pong green na nakikita namin ngayon. Kung alam niyo, para po kayong mga ants. Sobrang po kami grateful sa inyo. And as well as your energy, talagang bare minimum sa amin yun, Mom. Okay talaga kami sa energy.
Yes.
Wala kami kinakatakutan. We just
do our best and face our fear.
Yes.
Because
what else?
That's life.
Alam mo yung ang dami namin in-expect na words from you.
Yeah, that's life. Because, you know naman na at the end of the day, I love Acer.
Okay, I'm sure our Acer fam will love hearing those two letters na sinabi mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Gano'n mo ba kamahal ang Acer?
Gano'n mo kamahal ang Acer? Sorry ha, pero
Manalo mo naman, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Sorry kung natapakan mo yung mga laptop nyo.
Huwag mo tatapakan ng laptop. Hindi kailangan ng mga laptop.
Hindi ko tatapakan ng Acer. Hindi ko tatapakan because I love Acer ng OA.
Yan, okay. Again, palakpakan po natin, Shukla. Thank you, Shukla. Makakabal na kayo. Up next, Acer fam, we got duo number 2. Chares! Oh, okay. Magkatambling ha? Paano ba ito? 3, 2, 1. Uy! Kidding? Duo number 2?
Grabe! Akala ko makakanta ako!
Actually, lahat kami nag-expect, lahat sila nag-perform.
Ako din eh!
Oh.
Huwag mag-alala!
Thank you! Wait, siyempre, hindi pa kami style yung green boots.
Mamaya, malay natin magkaroon ng Coca-Cola mamaya, diba? And guys, we are gonna be so excited for that. Pero syempre, to our Chares, how has the transition been? You know, may mga moments ba na na-shock kayo or you guys are ready to break limits? Ooh, what an interesting question.
Honestly, we're very ready to break limits right now. Sorry, it's been crazy, honestly. From the BBB house until now, we have broken the limits of our expectations talaga. Like the expectation ng pagmamahal na na-receive namin sa inyo, grabe talaga, you have broken the limits sa mga puso namin at sa lahat-lahat po talaga. Kaya we would like to thank you guys talaga. Maraming salamat. At syempre maraming salamat sa Acer family for really accepting us and loving us. Ikaw, Esnir.
Sobrang ganda ng sinabi ni Charlie. Gusto ko lang sabihin. Esnir, no pressure. Pero napakaganda nung sinabi ni Charlie. Are you guys ready to hear Esnir's answer? Esnir?
Nasabi na, hindi na dapat babalikan ka. Thank you!
There we go! Thank you so much. Up next, why don't we call in the boys right here on the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, Raul! Hindi pwedeng matapos yung lakad na yun. Siyempre, we got the king of the Caldero and the king of Caldag. Pwede ba? Gusto nyo ba bumalik ang Rawi tapos tapusin dito with the Caldag? Yes. Ulitin natin. Ulitin natin.
Magandang beat lang. Para may gana naman yung pagkalig namin.
Oo, may gandang beat. Okay, direct pass. Yes. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Once again, we got right here on Acer Day 2025, Raul! Yung Acer fan natin na nanonood, nag-spike yung internet nila. Grabe yung na-consume na data, no? Well, Rawi, welcome sa Acer Day 2025.
Thank you very much.
Diyos ko po, sumakit yung likod ko.
Sabi kayo, isipam, napakaltag niyo si Kuya Robby.
Pahanda ng medic ah. Parang naglato-lato ah. Nakakatakot. Okay, bago pa pupunta yung usapan natin sa iba, we just want to congratulate siyempre all of the members of PBB right now. But Rawi, what's one personal barrier that you have recently broken this 2025?
Go, Ralph.
Nice pass.
And then, syempre, for me, stage fright has always been such a big thing. Na palagi akong kinakabahan pag may mga mall show, pag may mga out-of-town kami na performance. And now, I'm here today sa MOA Arena na kumakanta in front of all of you guys. Parang sobrang big milestone na yun sa akin, Kuya Robby.
So, Brent, this is not just a mall show. This is really the year for Acer Day 2025. How about you?
Copy paste. Alam niyo naman, yung iba sa inyo siguro po na sobrang introvert ako before. Pero siguro yun yung isang na-break ko na ngayon. I mean, mas naging confident ako sa sarili ko and mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Kaya nandito po ako ngayon sa inyong harapan. Nangihingi po ng tulong. Boto niyo po ang BBS Rawi.
Pagkatapos na, pero we are so happy for you guys and we'll be seeing more of stuff coming from Rawi later. Palabang po natin, Rawi!
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. And up next, syempre, we call in the first ever big winner duo of a collab season. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have Reco! Alam niyo, bagay kayo.
Bagay naging best friend.
Magduo talaga. Okay. Before we get to your question, gusto ko lang balikan yung sinabi mo kanina. Yan ang duo ko for life.
Best friends for life. Pero,
Best friends for life.
Totoo ba yan? Totoong best friend. Oh, dyan naman nagsisimula talaga yan, di ba? Okay, pero simulan na natin ang katanungan ngayon, Mareka. As you know, two people known for your calm, powerful presence, how do you guys push yourself to go beyond what people expect from you or of you?
For me, it's always about taking that first step. Once you make that first step, it's boundless you're limitless. Parang, as long as you keep on improving yourself and yung outside noise lang for me kasi yung mga expectations sa mga tao So, as long as you go beyond that, it's the first step talaga all the time.
Galing-galing talaga nakasagwit mo pa. Ang galing.
Di ba?
Ayos. How about you, Mika?
Ako, kuya, syempre, ako ang nag-focus-focus sa expectation ko sa sarili mo. Kasi, ako, importante sa akin kung ano yung sinasabi ng tao sa salamin pag bago ka matulog. Kung ano yung na-expect nyo sa'yo.
And then you transcend from that. Oh, it's not about what people think. It's about what you can do for yourself. I love that answer. And that is why you guys are the winners of this edition. Again, palakpakan po natin, Mareka, right here on Answer Day 2025. Maraming salamat for answering all of